welcome back to my channel, Breathe and Browse. This is Christina D'Souza, and I love to DIY. This time too, I landed up making 3 DIYs. One is a canvas painting in which I used caulking. I also built a frame around it, and I really love the way it turned out. It's in my bedroom, and yes, it's the most amazing thing that I think I did. The second one I did is a mirror hack. I know it's an anthropologie hack. A lot of DIYers are doing that. I painted it gold and just added a little detail to it. Just that brought out a wonderful transformation in that mirror. Last but not the least, I love to thrift. So I thrifted this old planter that was gold in color. I had used this for a very long time, but I thought that it needed a little something different, you know, so I painted it white and added little black details to it. It looks amazing. I love all the 3 DIYs. Please do watch my video till the end. Do like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And just keep smiling and do what you love to do the best. And thank you for watching.